I want to destroy his life for cheating. In July, my ex-fiancé announced he wanted a break to focus on himself. I was sad but tried being understanding while he stayed at his friend's house most nights the next couple weeks. He left a random mess next to his gym bag, clothes/papers/miscellaneous. I started cleaning it up when I noticed a paper with handwriting on it. It was a love note from some random girl. At the end of the note said a heart Maddie, so I posted a picture with the note and my ex in a Facebook group that exposes cheaters. His family, coworkers, friends, and mystery woman all saw and commented about how shitty he is. Turns out she is a coworker he met at a job he started a couple months before, never mentioned me. I told the other girl literally about all his shortcomings. How he love bombs the first few months, then it all stops, how he finishes in 2 strokes but doesn't care if you come, how over half of his checks go towards his truck and he won't help with rent because the rest of his money goes towards his dirt bike. We both end up dumping his ass. She's a young party girl who is popular and ends up talking lots of shit about him to all his coworkers. This even travels to his last workplace where he was a supervisor. People at his parents' church tell them they're disappointed in him. For a guy who really tries hard at looking good, this has hurt his ego, but I still feel like he deserves worse. So we're at the end of October and I had moved out on my own and minding my own business. He texted me a sad-sounding message and mentioned filing bankruptcy, trying to get sympathy or someone to talk to. I ignored his message and had sex with someone else for the first time. I hate being mean, but I am good at it when someone hurts me. I recorded a video of me flushing the ring down the toilet. I messaged my ex back with the vid, tell him I'm smashing someone else, and a sexy selfie. When we first broke up I was 160 pounds, I wanted him to see my new 125 pounds body and got a significant pay raise, so I'm feeling confident. He was obviously upset, but I feel like he brought all this on himself. As far as I know he's miserable right now, he's still binge watching 7 episodes a night of the same show. He finished the NCIS series from beginning to finish since I moved out. I feel like I have my revenge. I hope he never cheats on someone else again with this lesson. Honestly, I was so trusting and I feel like it doesn't compare to the pain I felt from the betrayal.
Wow, this girlfriend really got her revenge on her ex-fiancé. So, it is definitely true that helleth no fury like a woman scorned, because this man had a very understanding woman who loved and cared about him, but he let his little head and his position led him astray, and he destroyed a healthy relationship only to go and mess around with a new girl. Fellas, when you have a queen in your hand, you should never shuffle your hand because you might end up drawing some bad cards like this guy. While some women may overlook cheating and see it as a part of a man's nature, others like this lady see it as blatant disrespect, and karma has many spells she can throw at you, or as it is said in Jamaica, radam. Anyway guys, let's check out what some people had to say about this situation. First comment says, you should have sold the ring and used the money to go on a vacation. Someone replied, this guy sounds like someone who would buy a cheap ring. Another person said, my mom's bum-ass third husband got her a Walmart ring, and when she tried to sell it, the only thing they would take was the gold band. He was basically homeless when she got with him and consistently refused to work while trying to tell her how to spend her own money. And then he had ED and thought that people come simultaneously. He was pushing 50 though. And the last comment says, considering he didn't pay rent and broke the engagement by cheating, I don't think he would win a court case. Also, considering his debt on truck and motorbike, I am willing to bet he didn't spend so much on the ring. Never mind that everything he knows is disgusting by his behavior, I doubt he'd want them knowing he went after getting the ring back. Well guys, please subscribe to the channel for more cheating stories, Reddit stories and revenge stories like this one that we can learn from. I am really sorry that OP had to experience this, but sometimes things happen out of our control and the only thing that we can control is our reaction. So, what would you have done if you were in this situation? Would you seek revenge like OP did, or just left the cheater after you confronted them? Share your thoughts in the comment section and like this video so others like you can see it. Thank you for watching, I'll catch you in the next one, love.